In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix your iPhone charger if it is not working. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if your iPhone isn't charging, the first thing that you should try is using a different USB-C charging cable. The cable itself may be faulty or damaged. That being said, if that doesn't work, plug your charger into a different wall outlet to rule out a power issue. You could also try a completely different charging brick since the adapter itself may no longer be working. That being said, if all of that is not the issue for you, what you're going to want to do is check your iPhone's charging port. Just make sure there's nothing blocking it like dust or lint. If you see anything inside, gently shake the phone or try using something soft like a cotton swab to carefully remove it. Just avoid pushing too deep because this can damage the charging port. Also, make sure that there's no liquid inside the charging port. If your phone detects moisture, it will not charge for safety reasons. If this does happen, let your phone air dry completely and don't try to do it manually. But that is it. Those are the easiest ways to fix an iPhone charger that isn't working. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.